Hey guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes, and in this video we're going to be talking about what you can post on social media as a lash tech to grow your business and get new clients. I'm going to share 10 content ideas for you that are going to help your business grow, 10 content ideas for your lash page. Now, you want to make sure that there is purpose behind the content and that people know how they can book with you, where they can book with you, where you're located, all that kind of thing. So, you're probably wondering, what can I post? I don't know what to post. I don't have enough ideas. First thing you can do is write these ideas down, save them, copy them, try them out. This is going to give you a bunch of content ideas. And like I said, keep tracking what works for one won't work for the other, but here are 10 ideas to get you started. Number one is a before and after video. So don't forget, when your clients are coming in, ask them, can I take a before and after? If they say yes, get on it. Number two, show little clips of all the services you offer. So if you offer waxing or you offer brows, you want to make sure that you're showing all the services you offer. Next, you want to show the application process so people can actually see what goes on behind the scenes when they have their eyes closed. So you can show the client's eyes closed and you're giving them a lash bath, or you're priming, or you're applying one lash extension. It doesn't have to be anything too long. Great idea if you can show them what it is that you do that's the best. So if, for example, you're just really good at isolating, you make sure every single lash is perfectly isolated, you can say that in your video. Hey, come to me, I make sure your lashes are properly applied, look how I do it. That kind of thing. You want it to be a benefit to the client and educational. Four is create funny videos with trending sounds. The beauty of creating videos like this is you can scroll through Instagram or TikTok, save all of the ideas that you like, set them up, and make them all in one day. You can blast them off really fast, and this creates a lot of content for your page. Don't be afraid to steal like an artist. If you see a lash tech posted a funny video and you want to make one that's really similar, it's always going to be different when you make it because it's your own personal spin on it and it's you on the video. So don't be afraid to copy some of these other ideas that are out there and make it your own. Number five is share aftercare tips with your clients. So for example, how they can wash their lashes at home. Number six is show products that you sell and how they can help. So for example, you can show your lash cleanser and how it's actually going to help prevent eye infections and keep their lashes lasting longer. Number seven, introduce yourself and share a little bit of personal information about yourself so that people can feel like they're getting to know you. Number eight is make one video into 3 parts. So this is going to keep people coming back for more content because they're going to be waiting for part 2 and part 3. Number 9, show a tour of your salon or your setup. Number 10, show restocking your products or show cleaning your tools. 1, that's going to show people how clean and how sanitary you keep everything. And 2, people love to watch these random little videos on cleaning and reorganizing. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.